Welcome back to Tech Ideation once again. My name is Julius. If you are struggling with creating your own CV, this video is for you. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll take you through how you can create your own personal CV that you can use for job application, for schools, or for scholarship, or any professional pursuit of yours. Okay, so in this video, I'll focus much on the CV, but a CV and a resume are not much far apart, but I'll give you the disparities between the two. Okay, so for CV is general. It contains your academic history, your experiences, leadership roles, and other needed professional details that you need to put into this official document when you're applying for scholarship or job or some other applications. Okay, and it can go up to 3 pages. That's maximum. But for resume requires you to itemize your experience and educational history, which is specific to a particular job that you are applying to. So let's take note of that. Okay, the resume actually is specific to a particular job that you are applying to, but a CV is general and it can only take up to 2 pages maximum. Okay, and I want to show you something. I know this video should be able to create something like this. Okay, this is a well-reviewed CV. These have been reviewed by recruiters and institutions, and I believe with this you can increase your high probability of securing whatever you are applying for. Okay, so stick with me. I'll take you through all that. And also see that this CV doesn't have any picture or it doesn't have graphs. Okay, because currently recruiters use ATS systems. You know ATS systems, that's the applicant tracking systems. It's a system that recruiters nowadays use to filter a large number of applicants. Okay, because nowadays recruiters don't have much time to review all CVs manually. So what they do is that they put it in this system that will grade all CVs that people have brought in, and it will select the best applicants that fit the particular job description or whatever you are applying for. Okay, and the HM system does not understand diagrams, photos, graphs, okay, and other complex graphics. Okay, and so most of the times it rejects those ones and focus on those that are simplified and are well readable. So I advise that you don't make your CV much complex, trying to please a recruiter, because you don't have time to do all that. Okay, so I also did my research. That's why I'm sharing that with you. So I will advise you to do something official, specific, and professional. With that, you are good to go and increase your chance of getting whatever you are applying for. Okay, so I'll create 2 interfaces over here, one for the template that we're using and one for the workspace that I will use to take you through all that. I'll explain to you every process, and also some things I'll just copy and paste so that I'll save time, but some things I'll spend my time to type them myself so that you can all get insight into what we are about to do. Okay, so I'll create a new page over here. Okay, so I'll divide the screen to 2 so that you can have both at the same time. So I'll click on Windows. So I'll hold Windows key and I'll click on the left arrow key. So that I can have the new sheets on the left, and I'll click on the actual template. Now I have the 2 spaces open. Okay, so we jump right into it. So first we do some few setup. Okay, so for the font type you choose Times New Roman. Okay, and the font size you use 10. Okay, so and also you come here where you have the line and paragraph spacing, you click on the small arrow there. Okay, then you go to line spacing options. Over here, if you go to spacing, just follow the pointer closely. Okay, so I'll change to 0. Okay, and here I'll make it the actual line spacing, I'll make it 1. Okay, then set as default and okay, then you are good to go. Okay, so we start. I'll use my name for this one. So let's go. That's my Jashi Julius. Okay, so for the name to be bigger than the rest, so you make the font size 14. Okay, and you align it to the center. Okay, so now down you bold it, then click on enter. So that's why I changed. I did the settings here because if I click enter, I don't have large space between the paragraphs, and also in case I don't have a paragraph, but I just want to go to the flowing line. Okay, I'll not have big spaces between the lines. Okay, so let's do that. So I'll come down here and I'll type my email address over here. Okay, so that's my general email address over there, and spacebar. You click on the vertical slash. Okay, so the vertical slash for some machines right above the left vertical slash. So you hold shift and click on it and to give the vertical slash, then spacebar again. Okay, so I'll bring a number, just any number that I can guess. So number here. Okay, then spacebar, then the vertical slash again, then spacebar. Okay, then you add your LinkedIn profile link. So recruiters now they demand for your LinkedIn link. Okay, so that they can go and review details about you. You know, LinkedIn is a very good site that you can create your own professional history and your aspirations over there. Okay, and if you don't have one, I advise you to create one if you want to go into the professional and the professional world. Okay, it's good to have that. You go there, you get a chance to meet other professionals that you can learn from and get a lot of opportunities from there, scholarship, job, and other things from there. So I will encourage you to create one if you don't have one. Okay, so I'll go to my LinkedIn and copy my LinkedIn link over here. So it's already open, so I just okay. So you come to your LinkedIn profile over here, then you copy your link. Okay, so there's it. So just copy it from here, copy. Okay, then you go back and you paste it inside over there. Okay, so you come back and then you right click and paste it over here like this. Okay, so the font size, you decrease it to 10. Okay, not 12. Make it 10. So that's as simple as that. And you know, some people prefer to add their geographic location to it instead of just the email address, your contact, and your LinkedIn profile link. And sometimes your LinkedIn profile is very long. Okay, so what you can do is that your profile link. So come here, then you click on the pencil here. Then from here you can edit your LinkedIn link over here. You can make it short. You can delete any name over there. Just make it short. Okay, that can make it fit to it. So that's how you can make your LinkedIn profile link very short, and so far it has more than 3 characters, it is good to go. You can change the names over here, but not the words before it. So that's it. Okay, yes. So you come back, so click on enter, then enter again. Okay, then you align left. Then we start with everything. So we start with the profile. Okay, profile. So for resumes, okay, some people, some recruiters who prefer for resumes specifically, you add your age, your status, you are married, your marriage status, and sample believe where so much necessary that, but sample do add. Okay, sample add date of birth. That's the resume. Okay, but now focus on the CV actually. But that's what you can do. I'll show you a copy over here. I have a copy of someone's resume that I created. This is just one page, very simple. So we see personal information. Okay, so you have the gender, nationality, marital status, the date of birth over here. Just with date. Sorry, that's the date that's just created. Okay, or updated. So before the personal statement, the same as the profile. Okay, so this is what makes it different from resume. You can see this has with one page, it has 2 pages. Okay, no, some of you have a lot of things that you have done, and you'll have to put it on your CV or resume, but you should take note of those things. Okay, so I'll minimize this. I'll minimize this so that you can continue. Okay, so you highlight this, then you come here, the borders. Okay, I've already done setup over there, but I'll show you how I did that. So the borders, it actually gives you, we want to create this line over here. This, if you look at the right, I want to create this horizontal bar over here. This is not an underline line, or maybe underline. Okay, the function one, not that one. So to that, some of you, because of unique setup, well, if you click on it, it might give you another one. You have different. You have bottom border, top border, left border. You can see them. They're all here. And also, so for your machine, if or your workspace, if this is your first time creating one, to give you a very thin line, you have to make that one thick, like mine. This is what we can do. So you go to horizontal line. Okay, sorry, horizontal line. Sorry. You come here again. Then you go to borders and shading. Okay, then here you change the width. I made it 1.5. If you make it sound too small, like to be sound too small, look at this. It's very thin. I don't want this, so I'll go back. Go and change it again to 1.5. 1.5. This is okay. So click on OK. You see it doesn't change. So click on it again, then comes. Right down, you click under the line here. Still the button is here, so you can click on the align left, so you can have everything working for you well. And there's why I said you click not to press enter, because if you press enter, the line will shut down and it will create a space for you to write. So don't do that. Okay, so you just click directly under it, then you continue. So now your profile, this is it. Okay, this one, that for the profile, a recruiter can read it and you have to convene it. Okay, this one summarizes all your ambitions and who you are, and some of your capabilities. For instance, this person, like I'm a self-motivated recent graduate with a degree in banking and finance, and I'm passionate about entering the banking sector. Okay, so this one talks about his current state and also what he aspires to do or to achieve. Okay, so it continues like that. So you can read it for yourself. It says my academic background has equipped me with strong skills in financial analysis, risk management, and customer service. I'm recognized for my excellent communication, supervisory, interpersonal abilities, and I'm adept to building enthusiastic teams and achieving exceptional results. Okay, so this alone can describe the person in just few words. Okay, for instance, it can be like I'm a self-motivated achiever who graduated very recently from BSc students or masters, okay, or PhD. Okay, then you state some few qualities about yourself. And some people advise that you can't always say I'm a hardworking. No, it's very general. People are hardworking, but use some professional terms that can convince those recruiters. Okay, so what I'm saying is that um, after the HS has passed you and stuff, you just sit down. The HR will sit down to look at your CV very well. Okay, so your CV speaks for you when you're not there. Your resume speaks for you when you're not there. So you have to write it so that it can speak for you in your absence. So that when you take your CV, it can speak well of you. Okay, that will increase your chance of being selected for whatever you are applying for. Okay, so I just copy this one. I'll not spend much time to write, so I'll just copy this one. So you highlight it, then copy and paste. I don't advise you to use Ctrl plus C shortcuts because you just paste it, okay, and it might give you, look at this. Okay, it's not giving us the Times New Roman. You see, we don't want that. Okay, so and do Ctrl plus Z. Then you right click, then you use this option. This one, merge formatting. Okay, we are done. Then you highlight, then you change it to 10. Then it can be on bold. Okay, and I can see the profile tools. Okay, it's also in 10, so that's fine. Okay, so you see, I have Grammarly here. That is constantly correcting my grammar for me. Okay, so it's good to have Grammarly installed on your machine. You don't have it, get one. It's free. Okay, you have a free version and the premium one has higher correction standards. Okay, for this one is good for you to correct those simple mistakes that you might correct. It's very good if you're a writer to have, because it's shows you some mistakes that you not see. In fact, you'll be surprised what this application can do. For instance, if you're writing your thesis research work, you have to have this, because sometimes if your supervisor, after open your work and is a technocrat and has this software and opens your work and it's showing lots of markings, it shows that what you will take your time to read through everything. You know that we are human beings. Okay, the best thing you can do is that you use Grammarly to check all grammatical errors, because they give marks for that, and that can increase your chance of getting a very good mark in your final year thesis writing. So I'll advise on that. I also use that and it has helped me a lot to get a good mark in that. So I advise you to also install it to help you. Okay, so sometimes most of the corrections are good, but you have to read it yourself to agree with it. For instance, look at what is correcting over here. I'm a self-motivated recent graduate with a degree in banking and finance, and I am. Okay, it's cancelled it and saying that I should write what? Graduate with a banking and finance degree and passionate about entering the banking sector. This makes it much simpler. Okay, so you can choose between the two, but what it's suggesting is very straightforward. Okay, so you can choose what it's saying. If it is, you see that it makes sense. But always, sometimes, let's say there's a word here. Okay, you see, I'm passionate about, but say I should do what I'm passionate about. Okay, look at this one saying here. So you see this one, get pro to access this one. Okay, it's not bad, it's fine. So those high premium or premium corrections, they are not much let's see necessary for the basic editing. Okay, look at this one too, recognize, but in that I'm writing in British grammar standard. Okay, so I'll not change this. So you have to look at it very well, but it's very good, it helps a lot. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, and to make your work more presentable, you can make it justify. Okay, you can make it justify. That's okay, or you can just leave it in that format. Okay, so if you look at this one like this, not all is just because of the text, most of them are not long. But I'm going to justify to make your work look simple and presentable. Okay, yes, so that's how it is. Okay, or you can leave it just and there's Daloma Printable. Okay, but let's use this for now. See for now. Industry. Okay, so when you're done, you click on enter twice. Okay, you also want to get a good space between the sections. So the next one is what? Education. It's education. So education. Okay, so you bold it. Okay, then you bring the borderline here, then you click under. Okay, click under here. I want to get it on point. Okay, sorry, you have to be very careful when you're clicking under, so you can click well. Okay, so click over there, then it brings the keys are down there. So this one talks about your education history. Okay, and you have to bring the recent one first before the rest follows. Okay, so you write your course you did, okay, and the year to copy, and you paste it over here. And because this person is not done, so just put over there. So right click and paste. It's not done with his degree. So okay, so you just put the expected September 2024. But if it's done, we'll have placed as it is over here to look at right September 2017 to September 2020. Simple as that. Okay, and now look at, you want to shift this text to come to the right. So you come here, okay, see the alignment, I say it, bands over here. So you have two kind of rectangles, two of them, so triangles, two of them, and one rectangle below. So you hold the below the lower triangle. Okay, after positioning your cursor over here, then you hold it, then drag it, okay, till the this reaches the end. Then leave it over there. Okay, so when you are done, you click enter. Okay, so you have to bring it to down here. You bring it down here, then copy the school over here. So now you have this guy is attending Curriculum University of Science and Technology. So you copy that one too, then paste it over here. Okay, then you unbold it. You unbold it. You unbold it. Okay, so that's it. Yes, so that's it. Yes, so for example, if you want to put your class that you're graduated with over here, you can just put in brackets. Okay, let's say if second class or first class, yeah, put it there. Say second class, okay, into brackets. Okay, and this is lower or upper. You can put it lower. Lower. Division. Okay, division, because is very large, it's very long, so we can just shorten it. Okay, division, then you're good to go. Okay, because you don't try to write it long, it will take larger space, you see. So we don't do that, so you just can't shorten it. Okay, then you're good to go. Okay, you can just put second class or first class. No, it's a very simple one, of course. So that is it. Okay, so you move to the next one. This WASI. So You put the ORC2 here. So I'm gonna give double space, another space again. Okay, another space over here. Then you paste. You see that this one I gave a double space, not one. So you can see the space over there. So this one to position it like that. So you hold it, you stretch it till it comes to the end. Okay, they are good to go. Then the following one is what? The school, right? So click on enter. Then you bring the name of the school, Ctrl+C. Then you come and paste over here. Remember the option that's selected, that's the merge formatting over here. So you are done with that one. So enter again. Okay, then you proceed. Then you go to work experience. Okay, this one to go, you also click on the bottom border, or click under over here. Then you, so if you're students you don't have work experiences, you can just use your internship. Okay, over here. So if you're in school, you have done a lot of this works, is good for you. So you can put it over here like this. If you have questions, you can put them in the comment section below and I'll attend to all that. Okay, so we are done, and you can attach the date just beside it, like here. Okay, just here. Okay, so you can put the date over there, or you can be dynamic small. Okay, but take a very good look at the guidelines that I'm giving. Okay, so you can put it just beside it over here. So let me show you how it is done. Copy. Instead of this place, I'll just put this here instead. I'll put it here instead. Okay, so July. I'll shift the sorry, I have to shift. This is messing up. Okay, so that's not to go. So you can keep it just right under. Okay, right under it over here. Over here, then you click on enter again, or just click below. Then you bring your so after the intern, the company that's intern, is it Talo, Oil, Ghana, Jolu, and the dates and what you did. Okay, so here what is that you don't, for instance, you see you were like assisted in the preparation and review of financial statements and reports. You don't write I assisted. No, you write, you just say it straight. Okay, that adding you as a subject. So assisted in the preparation and review of financial statements and reports, ensuring compliance with company policies and regulations. Simple as that. You don't include your personal pronoun. Okay, so you copy this one to come and paste it right below. Okay, so I want to unbold it. Yes, and also you see, to create, if in case you're not just copying and pasting, okay, you can just type, then you come here and select this. Okay, so that you can number it for you. You can even indent over here. Okay, you can even indent over here. See, so we can indent. So if you go to this option over here, okay, this is an indentation. Okay, so if you increase indent, you indent before you start typing so that you can switch wherever you want to position your text, sorry. Okay, so that's how it is done. Okay, so when you are done, you click on enter again and enter again, then to delete the bulletin. Okay, so we're going to, you can have, if you have a lot of experience, you can add those things. Good, it increases your chance of being selected. So you go to achievements and awards. You have to give another space here. Okay, you have to give another space here. Enter. Okay, you have to leave another space over there. Okay, another space over here. Okay, 2 spaces over here. Okay, so this one is 2 spaces. Alright, so just one. So you move another space to, another space to over here. Okay, and to make everything presentable. Okay, coming. Okay, I think the double space makes appear too large, so we just use only one. Okay, I think that makes it more presentable. Okay, trying to go according to this. So this one, to come here, you highlight, then you bold it over here, then you underline, you create a border over here, then you are good to go. Okay, so you click under. So here you see the achievement and awards. If you have obtained any award, achievement, you can, if you don't have any, it's not by force to include it. Okay, you don't have to include everything. Okay, but things that are very relevant. For instance, your project, it's good to add it, but no, if you don't have a project, by then probably you're not finished school and you don't have a project, you can leave that place. You can proceed with other things. Okay, yes. So awards, you can see your awards, and here, because of we have so see this design over here, instead of just attaching the school and that, is rather aside. So this table is actually invisible, but I made it visible. Okay, so it should have been invisible. So I'll do that so that you all take a look at it. Okay, so I made it visible, but I can do this. See, come here. When you come to header row, you take it, this one, to take it out. Okay, then you come here, look at the options, then you take this one, the one without any lines, borders. You see, it's not visible, but it's in the table, but you can't see it. So that's how you can make it. Some people also do this for this same one in the table, and we just make it invisible. But I advise that you can use the table and also use the line, the alignment adjustment over here. Okay, you can handle that in the table. It's all good. Okay, so you create our own table. Okay, so I'll insert a table over here. So go to insert. There's three things. So okay, I think it's 2. So I will put 2 tables over here. So insert, I'll put 2 tables. So 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's what I will do. Okay, it's where it's bringing it. I think our alignment is to the left. Okay, yes, that's true. So let's bring the table further, and then we adjust it. Okay, so 2 rows, right? So rows. let's look at this. We have to increase our table. Okay, so I want to adjust it to come somewhere here. Then this one, so you have to adjust it to come here. So just position the mouse pointer on the vertical line, then to change into two parallel lines. Okay, then just hold and shift it, then to shift. Okay, so click in the first one. I'll copy and paste this one. Copy and paste this one. Copy. Okay, and I'll come here and I'll right click. This is bold. I don't want that, but I'll change it later on. And I'll show you something. Okay, if you are here, okay, let's say you click over here. This is the case I want to highlight. In case your mouse is worrying, just hold shift, then click on the left arrow key or whatever you want to move to, then to start highlighting to that direction. Can that make you? And if it's down, you can just click on the down arrow, then to start highlighting everything. Oh, okay. And also if you want to highlight everything, just Ctrl+A, and to highlight everything that you can like that's in the document. Okay, so that is how it is done. Okay, so I'll add the year to it. Don't worry, I'll leave this document somewhere that you can pick up, and I'll use a link to. I'll post the link in the description below so that you can have it. Okay, and to be in my drive. So just paste it over there. Copy this one too and paste it over there. Over there, okay, and so we have I think you got best business student, that's 2017. Yes. So you see the mistake here was that this should have come first, the outstanding. So this one, you copy and paste this one over here right now. So I want us to copy and paste this one, so highlight everything. I'm coming. So you just highlight everything, then Ctrl+C instead. Then you click, see the overwrite. Okay, then you delete the top one. You have to bring the most recent one. Okay, so you clear the table, the top table. Okay, so you put this one over here. So right click, then you paste, copy the here as well, Ctrl+C. I want to do 2 clicks, so I'll start using shortcuts. Okay, but I think I'm done to learn some couple of shortcuts. Okay, so I'll change the font size. That's also, see, I use Ctrl+V to paste, and I couldn't get the font type and the font size. It's very bad. Okay, that's why I advise that you choose the merge formatting option. Okay, that helps and makes you move faster. So I'll also copy this one as well. Sorry, so Ctrl+C, come here. Now select image formatting over here. Yes, so when I'm done, I'll just highlight everything over here. Then I'll unbold, go to home, then see bold 10. Yes, so this is it. So this is what you can do. So when you're done, okay, you highlight everything again, or you can leave it like that. Then you go to design, Then you come here, you go to see header row, you uncheck the small box over there where the mark is. This one to do the same. Then when you come down here, you will get this option where you don't have any border here, so you just click on it. If you don't uncheck this, you do it and you see you don't have that option with the options for you to pick up. Understand? So that's how you get things done over here. I hope that helps. Okay. Yes, and we can proceed to the next one. Okay, that's this one is a professional certification. So this one I'll just copy and paste. Very long, I don't type. Just copy it and leave one space here. Then I'll paste it here. Okay, and I'll underline it. As underline, I'll border it. Okay, I'll click right below it. Then we are good to go. Okay, so okay, I think we omitted one thing. Okay, that's the project and research. So I copied that one before the professional training and all certifications. So to copy, and I'll come and paste it over here. Paste over here, and also underline it as well with the border. Okay, so I'll click under, and then so look at this. Okay, it's the same features. Okay, the same table. If you want to make this complicated for yourself, you can just copy and paste the table. Okay, so you can copy it and paste the table. So we'll copy here, then copy, then come under here, right under, then you paste. That's what's happening over here. So keep source formatting. So you want the same thing, so click on source formatting. You can do this manual again. If you have time, you can create a table again, type everything. Okay, but I want to just move things fast. Okay, so I'll just come and place all those things one by one. To copy. So come and place over here. And be careful when you're replacing. Okay. So you paste over here. Be careful so that don't make mistake when you're copying and pasting. Hey, what am I doing? Okay, I think I've done a mistake over here. Okay, let's undo. We have to bring the project research experience. So you copy the project here. So this is what you have done. You have done projects. You can bring it here. Okay, so you copy and you can paste over here. Right click and you paste over here. Okay, then you bring so this one is your aim written in past. Okay, in past tense. So first, you see is the name or the project name is investigating the effect of COVID-19 on mobile banking, and it says the study investigated the trajectory of transactions across various mobile banking platforms before and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so you can just write your own like that as well. Very simple, and I hope this will go a long way to help you to overcome civil writing. Okay, I remember when I was in my first year, some people asking me, do you have a CV? In fact, I was surprised, and I don't know how to go about it, but with time, the guidance, I've also just came out with mine, and mine didn't get better overnight. Okay, I written it, and I'm doing updates, learning and correcting things, and Yes, and with that, we keep growing. Okay, so I advise you to also start your own now. The earlier the better. The best time to create your own CV is today, and with this, you can keep on improving it daily, or any time of yours that you want to do that before opportunities will come and you have to be rushing to create one with a lot of mistakes. Yes, so that's it. So we go to the next one. Okay. What's the next one over here? Okay. So it's not you can't do the professional training. Yes, then you underline as usual. That's what you do. Okay, you're taking our time to do all this. The border also here, and click right under it, not a line before. Then you copy. So you can just copy the same thing, okay, and you replace it. So I just on this one, I've taught you how to copy already and do that. So I'll just copy everything here and paste it, okay. Don't to waste my time on this. See, then this is also a table. It's not visible. Okay, so you have to create one like that. So for this one, you paste it what? Use what? Look at this. We want to get the one that will give us the best. The best formatting. Okay. So you can take this. Okay, but look at this. What? It's actually it didn't bring the what you want to align with the heading. So we adjust it again. Okay, so hold here, then you adjust it to align very well for you. Here to see that the text is long. So what I'll do is that I'll come here and search for where the vertical line is. Okay, then I'll hold it. You see, so when it turns into two parallel lines, I'll just hold it and drag it small. You see, so I can have everything aligned well. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Then you are done from there. So you go to your leadership experience. If you have leadership experience, it's good that you add it. Okay, because recruiters look out for leaders. Leaders are change makers. Okay, every leader has to be a change maker, and that's what people look out for. They look out for leadership skills. Okay, you have to at least try and do something like that. And any bit of leadership experience that you have had, just put it over there. It's necessary. Okay, that shows that you know how to actually work with people, how to take decisions on behalf of a group, and how to take decisions. Okay, so I'll just go on and do it again. So I'll copy. Okay, copy and paste over here. So look at this: chair, judicial committee, the date attached. Simple as that. Okay, and where you held the position, or you currently hold the position. So this one to be arranged according to the recent one. Okay, so that's how you get it done. So when I'm done with the leadership role that you played, then you talk small about what you have done. Okay, in point, let's say, see for instance, let disciplinary hearings ensuring all parties have an opportunity to present their case, including accused students, witnesses, and what complainants. Okay, so copy and paste this one too. Remember this, you don't have to bold it, okay? So you see it's not bolded. That's fine. So click on enter, delete, enter again. Okay, so you go to the next point over here. We don't have all this, okay? If you don't have them, but try our best to find one. And some of the sessions is not much necessary that. Okay, no worry about that. Just put what you have done over there. But otherwise, that if you're currently in school, you're doing something, try and get in that you know. Now that you know what goes on CV and a resume, try and create those things, okay? So that when you're applying, you don't have any difficulty in applying for anything that you want to apply for. So you proceed. Yeah, so look at this. So day of help, the date and what they did. Assisted in what coordinating student mobility on the day of the fair. Simple as that. So you can also put yours below. I mean the date and below, like how you did the leadership experience, okay? Or you can just put it straightforward like this. Okay, now to conserve space. Okay, so this one I'll just copy everything and paste. To copy everything, then Ctrl+C. Okay, you have to bring our border first and foremost. So I'll bring the border directly right below and I'll paste it over here. Okay, then we are good to go. And skills and abilities. Okay, so this one too. So in case you are going for instance, so let me go back to the voluntary or the extracurricular activity, the activity. You know, that one you can put anything that you have done before. Maybe there was breast cancer celebration day and tree planting, any green Ghana day, those things that you have not known that have going on. You have partaken in those things before. Just put those things over there. Okay, so our next thing is the skills and ability. Okay, so skills, and I have to give another space again, double spacing. So skills and abilities. Okay, so this one too you underline with the border. Okay, then you bring the, so see, look at this, look at skills and abilities. Proficient in the use of computer softwares like MS Suite, Power BI, and the other one, I think Tableau. Yes, I think that one is a software. Beginner, and Python, R, database tools such as MariaDB, and strong technical and problem solving skills. Okay, for instance, okay, so to some people they can they write let's say Microsoft Office GIS software. You can mention the particular one that you have mastered in. It is R, Python, it is SPSS. Just list them like that. Sample, that's what you do. They list them. Okay, instead of writing them in sentence like this, they just list them. Reading, any, maybe you have any hobby you do. Yeah, so for the CV, you have to actually be specific about those things because it's related to whatever you're applying for. That's for resume. Okay, so you have to list those that are related to the job that you're applying for. But for the CV, you can just put all the things that you have over here. Okay, so so you can put that in over here too as well. So for instance, this one you can copy and paste. You can also create a table for this one if in case you are listing them like not in the sentence form. Okay, so you can copy this one like this and put it here. You can position this and put it over here. Okay, and because of the space, we can just move to the next page. Okay, that's fine. Sample, you see this one, sample puts maybe for instance scientific writing. Sample put I want to put SPSS But it's good you can write it in a full explicit, then you put in the bracket the spaces, they enter maybe micro soft soft office. Let me say office means that you're talking about you having experience in all the suite, okay? I mean the Word, the PowerPoint, the Publisher, and other ones, the Excel and the rest. Okay, then you list them here, then you go to the other side. Okay, so for this one, for instance, you can have, look at this. I want to repeat, okay? I want to do something here, so I'll just repeat control and I'll come here again, and I'll paste those things here. Okay, I want to do something that you see. You can put a table over here, okay? Table, you see this is very long. You can put a table over here and put them inside. Or look at this, if I highlight this, okay, and I go to layout, and you have columns here. You see, this particular function can make your documents readable in one particular layout. Let's say column. Okay, I mean the whole document. You can divide it. See, if you read if you take, say, some Bible or some storybooks, that is divided into sections. Like you have one line here, another whole text here, another whole text here. If you read research papers, you see that they have that separated sections. So if I want to create, so I can do that even in my listings, in my bullet points. So I'll come here columns and I click on this option, this one 2. You see, it will make it 2 instead of just creating a table. You understand? So if I make it, let's see, look at this. If I make it 3, you see 3. So you can use technique to actually create that year and dating, okay? But if you're not much good with this one, don't worry, just do what fits best for you, okay? So you can list them this. You can list them this way. Put similar things together and put things that to put similar things together. That help your locator to read easily. Okay, and that's cool. Okay, you can make it. You see, it's 2 flats. You can leave it at that, or you can make it 4 3 3. Okay, that's fine. So you go to our next. That's the referees. Okay, so the referees on anyone that you are. So this one is any official person, or maybe any professional, okay, that is working in a professional institution, okay, or any registered institution that can prove of the things that you have placed in the CV or the resume. So they'll call the person, they can call the person or test the person and ask the person if they know you, or the person, the person knows you or not, and what does the person know about you, to verify that all these things that you have put over here are true. Okay, so it's good to have connections with people. It can be your lecturer, it can be your manager at work, it can be a reverend, a pastor, bishop, whoever, okay, that you put in this session. Okay, someone that can testify of you. Okay, so you put that in the referees here. Okay. So let me just type it over here. So okay, or some will say references referees. So once you underline it down to, okay, so you use the border again, click under, so bring the person's name, then the institution over here. For instance, this is a lecturer, so Dr. Etiefori Achampong and KUST, that's the institution. I have the role or the position of the person, so lecturer, department, accounting, banking, and finance, and the phone number, okay, and the email over here. So I just copy these ones and paste them over here. I'll show you another one that I did for some. I've done some couple of them, so I'll show you one that I've done. here. So that's it. Okay, then we are done. That's all. So you can see you have something like this. Okay, that's so. This is how to create a standard CV. Okay, that you can easily create. So if you have any question, please you can put in the comment section below. I'll attend to that. Okay. Also, don't feel so lazy not to go through this. It's good. After going through, you see that you have done something big for yourself. Okay. Instead of someone taking money from you, you can just do this yourself. Okay, but let me know if you in instance. If you want to send me an email, you can send on the email up here under my name over there. I'll reply to that. Okay, so I hope you find this content very helpful. Okay, and also see the borders. See, this one is much smaller, the margin. You can make the margin smaller. Okay, so you go to layout. Okay, and you go to margins. You can make the margin a bit smaller. Okay, so this is 0.5. So you can see 0.5. No, okay, I think that's applying to only one. Okay, but if you take everything, let's see the whole work. I want to make the margin smaller, but this one is less than the margin for this one. Less than the margin for this one. 0.9. Okay, you can make it 0.5. This is standard. Okay, standard. Okay, or if sometimes because of maybe probably it's printed N by mistake my T, and that's why it's good that you leave enough space. Okay, for the margins. Okay, so let's try on that one and see custom margin. Let's see 0.7 0.7. Okay, then this one to 0.7 0.7. Okay, then click enter. So this is okay. Okay, so this is okay. 0.7, then I'm good to go. Okay, same thing over here. So you have to do this one too as well. So 0.7. So you see, if I write everything before you start doing that, it will. I mean, before changing the margin to apply to everything. But if you are on one page and do that, it will apply to only the first page. So I write everything and do it. Okay, that's all. So I hope you find this video helpful, and as I said earlier, if you have any comments or any issue, just put in the comment section and I'll attend to that quick. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.